The Cursed Book. Nestled in the quiet town of Hollow Creek, the old library stood as a relic from another time. Its towering shelves were filled with dusty volumes, ancient manuscripts, and forgotten tales. Among these, hidden in a dark corner, was a book that few knew existed. A book bound in cracked leather, its title obscured by time. One rainy evening, Evelyn, a curious college student with a penchant for the macabre, found herself wandering through the dimly lit aisles of the library. She was drawn to the unmarked section at the back, a place she had never noticed before. Her fingers traced the spines of the books until they stopped on one that felt unusually cold to the touch. Pulling it from the shelf, she examined the cover. There was no title, only an intricate symbol etched into the leather.
Dear viewers, if you like to watch the scariest horror stories, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.